Hey there, J&R Roofing. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. Just wanted to shoot this video for you real quick to give you some tips and tricks on how you can edge out your competition over here in Layton and pick up a decent portion of the business. So before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this, and I don't want to waste mine as well. I want to give you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, if you see that I have some knowledge in the space and you'd like to move forward and have some help with ranking your website, feel free to reach out. But if not, no harm, no foul. The only thing I ask is that you let me know what I could do better to serve you with some more value. So to get started, I'm gonna go over three things, really quick things, but very effective things. Those things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start off with content. Since we're here, content's going to be essentially like your homepage, and so it's going to be with the actual words of content, the images in the background, and the images in the foreground right here. So when it comes to both of the images, you're going to want them to be keyword tagged, and so whatever it is that the highest ranking keywords are in your area for the services that you're providing, you want to make sure that they're all tagged, because the Google crawlers will be on your site and they can read what it is that you're saving your pictures as, all these images and everything like that, and it's going to help them understand, okay, so I should make sure I rank them in this industry for this type of prospect, so on and so forth. And then when it comes to the actual words of content, we do around 1,500 to 2,000 words per homepage. It looks like you have around maybe 6 to 750. The reason why you want a lot of words of content, it should be a little bit wordy, but you want to pack in as many keywords as possible, especially since your homepage is most likely going to be the page that ranks. We do around 100 words to 150 words of content per single keyword. So that way it doesn't seem too packed in with the keywords and a little bit spammy, because Google will also recognize that, and they won't rank you if it's just like keyword, if you know what I'm saying. So the second thing is going to be citations. So what a citation is, it's going to be your business name, your business address, and your business phone number as it appears on Google. And citations are pretty much like the main thing that will help you rank in the map pack section right here, which has become probably one of the most convenient areas for prospects to find local businesses, just because of how it's presented. And you want these citations in different directories. So what a directory is like Facebook, LinkedIn, CityStar, BBB, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. And you can actually go onto this website. So this is whitespark.ca. It's a paid tool, and it is a citation finder. So you can plug in your business info, your competition's business info, and you can find out how many citations they have and where they're getting them from. So as you can see, you're at the bottom right here, just because you're the first one I put in. But you have 11 citations. Lifetime Roofing, who is number 1 in the map pack section right here, they have 34 citations. And Kanga Roofing, who is number 3, I believe. Yep, number 3 in the map pack section. They have 14 citations. So what you could do to outrank like Lifetime Roofing is you could click into their actual citations. You can go in and you can see, okay, this is where they're putting their business info in. Let me just go and plug all of my info in these sites. And it takes a little bit. You have to make an account with all these places. You already have quite a few, but I would say whatever it is that they're doing, you do that times 2. You double it down, and that'll help you rank a whole lot higher. And so to make this video not super long, we'll go into Ahrefs. And so this is going to help us with the backlink info. So Ahrefs is a paid tool. I pay around $300 per month for my team and myself. But what you can do with this, which is great, is you can find your competition's backlinks, the referring domains, their keywords. You can see how much organic traffic they're getting. You can see their dominance of their URL, a bunch of cool stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on backlinks. So I have your site right here. And you already have quite a few backlinks, and I'm sure you already know, but just to say it again, what a backlink is it's going to be a link from your site linking to another site, or from another site linking to your site. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you could have backlinks to a tire repair shop, or to a McDonald's or Chuck E. Cheese or something like that. And obviously they could be really popular in their own industries, but because they're not very relevant to your industry, they would have absolutely no weight to them. And so as you can see, you have 81 referring domains, which is giving you 245 backlinks, which is very decent, but you have no organic keywords on your site, and you're getting absolutely no organic traffic, but that is completely fine. And so we have Lifetime Roofing here. Once again, I plugged them into Ahrefs as well. And the UR and the DR is just your URL dominance and your URL trustworthiness with Google. But they have 222 referring domains, giving them 1,100 backlinks, and that is resulting in 4,500 organic traffic per month. And that's actually very, very decent. I'm sure you can imagine what that would do for your business, getting that many clicks a month. And they have 3,900 organic keywords on their site. And then we'll just go into your next competition, the Kangaroo Roofing right here. Great name. I was actually already in their keywords. There we go. They have 35 referring domains, which is not too great. 159 backlinks. And that's still resulting them in 361 keywords. So since you have more backlinks, but they might have more powerful backlinks, and that is why they're getting a few more clicks per month, but they also have 784 organic keywords. And so let's just go into keywords real fast. And this is one of the other cool parts. I love Ahrefs so much, and this helps us rank our client sites a whole lot higher as one of the very many paid tools. But what you can do in here is you can go in and you can see like what keywords they're using and how it's helping them rank. And so the volume right here, that's going to be the amount of clicks that keyword is getting per month. And KD is essentially like the keyword difficulty or the competition. So like, for instance, solar panel roof leaks, they're getting 100 volume per month with no competition. So I'm sure that this is plugged into their site quite a bit because they're ranking number 2 in that. Same with lifetime roofing. I mean, they have quite a few more, 3,900 organic keywords. A lot of them might not be ranking as high, and like you'll probably see that when I go in here. So this one, 700 volume per month, but it's a pretty decently high difficulty. You want to be like 8 is getting up there. I would say no higher than 9, but they have a bunch and they're loading it into their site. What is this one? This is lifetime roofing. And yeah, they have a decent amount of, actually they don't. Oh yeah, they do. There we go. Yeah, they have a decent amount of content on here, and I'm sure you can click into these and it's all keyword tagged and whatnot. But I don't want to make this video too long. A good overview of some tips and tricks that you can use. If you found some value in this, like I said at the beginning, feel free to reach back and let's talk. But if not, just let us know what we could do to serve you with some more value. So my name is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.